Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use private browsing mode in Firefox. But first, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and if you have, thank you. And also thank you if you haven't also, because I'm hoping you do. Now let's continue. To use private browsing mode in Firefox, follow the following steps. It's quite simple. From the home page, just tap on this icon up here that looks like a max, and that's it. So Firefox clears your search and browsing history from private tabs when you close them or quit the app when using private browsing mode. While this doesn't make you anonymous, websites or your internet service provider makes it easier to keep what you do online private from anyone else who uses your device. And let's look at the common myths about private browsing. Tap on this to open the common myths about private browsing. As you can see, common myths about private browsing, you go through this, you're able to see them. Private browsing actually is a useful feature of Firefox, but only if you understand the protection it offers. It helps you keep your online activity private from others who use Firefox on the same computer, but it won't make you invincible online. So that's the only reason we had that belief that you keep you invisible online, but you can see it doesn't actually. So that's it. That's the first myth. Private browsing makes you anonymous on the internet. Well, you just found out it doesn't. It does not mark your identity or activity online. It simply protects you from other users. So moving on. Only a virtual VPN can mark the location and encrypt your online activity, keeping your identity and data safe from prying eyes. If you need to stay anonymous online, try Mozilla VPN. Now, the second myth is that private browsing removes all traces of your browser activity from your computer. Is that a reality? Yep. Private browsing works by letting you browse without saving passwords, cookies, and browsing history in a private window. If you download a file from a website, it will remain on your computer, but it will not appear in the download manager in Firefox. If you bookmark a website while in a private window, it will remain in your bookmark list. Myth 3. Private browsing doesn't display any browsing history. Reality? Private browsing will by default display visited sites and bookmarks as you type in the address bar. Firefox saves these pages during normal browsing. If you don't want to see the suggestions, you can deselect them in your Firefox settings by clicking on Privacy and Security, under which click under Address Bar, so you can change it there. Myth 4. Private browsing will protect you from keystrokes, logouts, and spyware. Reality? It does not. Private browsing does not protect you from malware installed on your computer. If you suspect you have malware, take steps to remove it to prevent it from happening again. If you want to know the steps, you can simply click on this. Moving on, to learn more about how Firefox provides your privacy, you can tap on this, Enhance Tracking Protection in Firefox for desktop, and this Smart Block for enhanced tracking protection. It's as simple as that. So that's it. As you can see, we are doing private browsing. You can see this is private browsing window. It's as simple as that. So if you don't want to continue with private browsing, simply tap on it again and you're back to the normal browsing. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get more updates from us. Thank you, and that's all. Bye for now.